A very common question asked on different question answering platform is how to test multiple variable against a value. Or the similar question is asked like, is it possible that the following code create output like CDF? And they create three variable x, y, z, give it some values, then create an empty list, and then check that whether f x, y, or z is equal to 0. So append a value c to the empty list. And they want an output like CDF because there is no true available true in the variable list. So this condition will be false and they ask for the CDF. But let's try this code, and the answer is not like that. The reason is that there are three possible reasons that why the answer is not like actually what the user want. Reason number one, the basic rule of Boolean expression is violated. Reason number two, Boolean expression does not work like English sentences. Reason number three, there is third issue, which is about the operator precedence. As we all know that logical or have low precedence than double equal, which is actually means equal sign. So what will be the solution? Let's straight dive into the solution number one. Solution number one will be tuffles. And how we create tuffles? Let's start keeping all those three variable as it is like x, y, and z, and create another list and give the list name my list 2. It will be also an empty list, and then we create some tuples like f 0 in. We create tuples like x, y, z, then my list 2 that append c. Similarly for f1 in x, comma y, comma z, minus 2 that append d. Similarly, I will copy paste these two with some changes, and the changes will look like convert this 0 to 3, this 1 to 4, and also change this to E, and this to F. And then finally, we will print the solution of my list 2, and now we will run it, see the output, and the output is exactly like the user want. The second solution, let's try the second solution, solution 3, and which is sets. So we all know sets, how to create sets. So let's start with another list, empty list, which is my list 3. Then create a set like f0 n. This is the set notation in Python. Then my list 3 that append what c. Similarly, I will copy paste these two lines. Change the values from 0 to 1, 2, 3, and 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Convert this to C, D, E, F, and then print my list 3. Now we will see the solution, and you can see the solution is as the user want. Thank you for the answer.